Welcome to Coral Rock Plumbing. What we have here is some supply tubes that are been used a lot. They're flexible copper tubing that people use to connect hot water heaters. We highly recommend that you do not use these on your hot and cold lines. Okay, this pipe here, when it bends, it becomes pretty thin. It's already thin to begin with, and over time it will leak. These are only good for relief line. You can use these on a relief line and not have a problem. You can use Pro Press or Sweat. You know, solder fittings or Pro Press fitting, much more sturdier design. These develop pinholes. When you bend them too many times, or you overbend them, they create little pinholes. We don't use these. You can use them on the relief line, not on the hot or the cold, especially not the hot. Thank you.